Hey everyone, welcome back to another massive construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. Today we're seeing some huge progress across the stadium, with the compression ring continuing to expand higher above the structure, while facade preparation work accelerates in multiple areas. New structural pieces are being installed, more sandwich panels are going into place, and several parts of the project are already starting to look very different compared to the previous update. So let's get straight into today's update. The biggest development today is the continued growth of the compression ring in the upper structure of the stadium. Workers were seen positioning another large beam section into place while teams operated from elevated platforms to secure the new structural piece. The upper ring is already extending significantly through this sector, and the connection areas between the radial beams are becoming more complete with every passing day. Large support assemblies and future connection points are now clearly visible, while additional structural components remain prepared nearby waiting for installation. Activity around the third cantilever continues to intensify, with cranes, workers, and lifting equipment operating throughout the upper levels of the stadium. One of the most noticeable developments in the upper lateral area is the rapid progress of the newly built wall sections. Workers continue assembling block walls in multiple areas, and some sections are already advanced enough to support scaffolding installations. Construction teams are actively working on top of the scaffolds while materials are being lifted upward continuously. These interior structures are progressing quickly and are beginning to define future enclosed operational areas inside the stadium complex. The amount of visible activity across this level confirms that interior construction is now accelerating alongside the large structural works happening above. Further below, crews continue welding and structural reinforcement work around the lower cantilever zones. Elevated platforms remain active throughout the skeleton of the stadium, and workers are focusing heavily on metal assemblies, supports, and finishing tasks. The corner sectors remain among the busiest areas of the entire project, with visible movement everywhere across the steel framework. Although some areas appear calmer than others, the overall amount of simultaneous work remains extremely high throughout the stadium. Another major update comes from the installation of sandwich panels along the lateral side of the stadium. New panels have now been added since the previous update, especially around the second-level mobility core areas. Several additional sandwich panels are already fixed into position, while more units remain stacked nearby waiting to be lifted. Elevated platforms continue operating directly beside these structures as crews align the panels carefully and secure them into place. Corner finishing elements are also being added to the sandwich panel sections. Some areas already have the protective corner assemblies fully installed, while other sections still show exposed yellow insulation material waiting for completion. Small, unfinished gaps remain visible in certain zones where additional panel pieces still need to be inserted. The South Gol sector is now entering a critical preparation phase for Lama installation. Large numbers of Lamas are already stored nearby, and almost the entire support system appears prepared for the next installation stage. Anchoring systems have already been aligned, structural supports are positioned, and the sector now looks ready to begin receiving exterior facade elements very soon. Workers also continue preparing additional compression ring pieces in this area, including radial beams, pillars, and connecting sections that are already organized and waiting for assembly. The pace inside South Gol has become extremely strong in recent weeks, and the compression ring is advancing deeper into this section with every update. Additional support components continue appearing around the mobility cores. Crews are installing finishing pieces around the sandwich panel corners and structural edges, while other workers continue adjusting internal support systems behind the facade structures. Large quantities of material remain stored around these areas, including support pieces designed specifically for the future Lama systems. Construction teams continue moving constantly between elevated platforms, scaffolding, and internal work zones as multiple finishing operations happen simultaneously. The diamond structure area is once again showing visible reinforcement activity. Workers were seen installing rebar across the upper sections of the structure, something that had not been visible for quite some time. Metal reinforcement bars are now covering larger portions of the upper diamond area, signaling continued structural completion in this sector. This type of reinforcement work had become rare in recent months, making today's activity especially significant. In the corner sectors, crews continue advancing with the lower false ceiling sections beneath the structural brackets. Lama installation progress remains strongest underneath the stadium structure before extending upward into the main bracket zones. Large stacks of Lamas remain prepared across the corner areas, while additional structural pieces for the compression ring and facade systems continue waiting nearby for installation. Protective safety net supports have also started appearing around these zones to improve worker protection as construction activity intensifies above heavily active lower levels. In North Gol, workers continue tightening and reviewing Lama support anchors that were previously aligned during earlier installation phases. Teams are checking connections carefully to ensure every support element is fully secured before the facade systems begin arriving. Painting operations are also continuing in this sector. Workers equipped with protective suits, masks, and rollers are repainting structural beams and support elements behind the Lama systems. Some areas still show unfinished surfaces and exposed marks, but crews are progressively completing the final coating work throughout the structure. New Lama materials also continue arriving into the sector as preparation intensifies. The compression ring is now extending deeper into the corner sectors toward North Gol. Newly installed pillars are already visible, while additional radial beams remain prepared nearby, waiting to be lifted into place. Temporary supports are positioned throughout the area, and crews are expected to continue connecting radial beam sections over the coming days. Several corner sectors are already beginning to fill with the characteristic box-shaped connection structures that define the compression ring system. One of the biggest surprises of today's update is the arrival of a brand new escalator section in the Tribuna area. After a long period without new escalator deliveries, another major unit has now arrived on site, and crews immediately began removing protective coverings before preparing it for lifting operations. This is a very important milestone because it signals renewed progress in the internal circulation systems of the stadium. With several months remaining before the next major deadlines, these interior installations are becoming increasingly important. Around Tribuna, multiple elevated platforms remain active across the bracket structures. Workers continue carrying out finishing operations, structural adjustments, and preparation works around the steel framework. Additional sandwich panel support beams are now visible across several sectors, preparing these areas for future facade coverage. Some support structures are already fully installed, while others still require additional beam placements before panel installation can begin. Although visible facade progress here remains slower than in other sectors, internal preparation work is clearly intensifying. That's it for today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring keeps growing, new sandwich panels are going up, and preparation for the Lamas is moving fast across multiple sectors of the stadium. More major progress is expected very soon, especially around South Gol and North Gol. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.